Hi, this is RJ. In this video, I'm going to show you extremely beautiful game between Napoleon first versus Automaton, which was played in Vienna in 1909. So in this game, Napoleon was white and he started with e4, and after e5, Napoleon played queen to f3. So moving his queen very much early from the game, and Automaton replied with knight to c3, knight to c6, developing his knight, and after bishop c4, knight to f6, knight to e2, bishop c5, a3 was played, and after d6, Napoleon castled over king side. Automaton played bishop g4, attacking the queen, and after queen to d3, he played knight h5. So Napoleon decided to kick his bishop by playing h3, and the Automaton captured the knight after bishop to e2, and after taking queen to e2, Napoleon, the Automaton, played knight to f4, attacking the queen one more time, and after played queen to e1, Automaton played knight d4, developing and centralize his other knight to join the party. Napoleon played bishop to b3, central, moving his bishop, and from this position I want you to pause the video for 5 seconds to find out the winning blow from this position. Can you think that knight sacrifice in this position, the Automated sacrifices knight by playing knight takes h3 plus check. So this move is played if white captures the pieces, the knight, then there is a check, there is a threat of queen check. So knight check is another option to capture the queen. So this move is not be accepted by the, this move is a very bad move, so that's why the knight takes h3, white Napoleon decided to remove his king from that position, and he played king to h2. The Automated started attacking with playing the queen to h4. He said queen to h4 because this knight cannot be captured by the same thing, the knight check and taking his queen. That's why he played g3, attacking the queen, and Automaton played knight to f3 plus check, and after king g2 he played knight takes e1 plus check, and rook takes e1. This game is already over, and after queen g4 Napoleon played d3 and bishop takes f2, rook h1, and queen takes g3, king f1, king d4, bishop d4, king e2, king g2 plus, and king d1, queen takes h1, king takes king d2, queen g2 plus check, king e1, and knight g1, knight c3, bishop takes c3, and b takes c3, and queen e1 plus checkmate. What a beauty! What a beauty of the game! What do you think about that? So I will see you in my next episode. Till then, have a good day.